Welcome back to Excel Daily Dose. Basic Functions Day 22 IsNumber. Myself Dayanand with Learn and Earn YouTube channel. You know my name already by this time. Alright, what this IsNumber does, so IsNumber evaluates whether the reference to cell is a number or not. If it is a number, it returns true. If it is not a number, it returns false. By default, a blank cell is taken as not a number. So if I am referring to a blank cell, it would always say it is not a number. It says false. Right, let's start. Let's begin. IsNumber. I'm referring to E4 again. Again, it requires only one single argument, no other, and it returns false. Let me say the number 24 returns true. Let me put my name there. It returns false. You got it? Yes, it only tells true if it is a number. If it is not a number, false. Now, where do I use it? Say, for example, if I have an employee ID, list of employee ID, whenever data entry done by manually, there are chances for typo, room for errors. So there are chances where people may, by mistake, leave a space at the end. By mistake, just put some other characters because of typo, right? So it's good to use these kind of simple features, simple functions to just to understand if there are any incorrect data entry done, right? So if you put this IsNumber function right across all the cells, and yes, so you can easily filter out whichever is showing false and correct the number you're referring to. So hope you got it. That's it for today's video. Day 22 is over. Another 8 more days videos we're going to make in this series and then begin with our intermediate, much more complex formulas we'll discuss. So together, let us learn and earn. Thank you for watching. Happy learning, guys. Thank you.